Hi everyone, I absolutely love making these balloon tulips because they have great impact, they only take 2 balloons and they are super quick and easy to make, so they are absolutely perfect for parties. Hi, I'm Melanie from Balloon Artworks. For this tulip I'm using a 260 with a 1 finger tail and I'm just going to make a series of 3 loops. Okay, so about 4 fingers, if I use my fingers to measure that loop, okay? And then I'm going to poke my finger through the centre and just pass that knot and nozzle through the centre of that loop. That's just going to help ensure that doesn't come undone. Okay, and then I'm going to make another loop of about 4 fingers and then twist, keep twisting, okay? And then another loop of about 4 fingers, so just twist. Okay, and then you can wrap all these 3 loops together, okay, and that's what you've got. I'm using another 260 with a tail of perhaps 2 fingers, and I'm just going to take this knot and nozzle and pull that into the centre of that cluster of loops, okay? And then I want to make a bubble that is maybe 4 inches or so, so I just make a twist. And then I want to make another bubble to match this one. So just bring the balloon over. I'm just going to give the balloon a little squeeze just to soften it. And then measure a bubble to match the first. Make a twist. And then pull your goldenrod balloon through into the cluster of loops. Okay, so this is what you've got. Okay, we've still got a tail of maybe just over a finger. So I'm just going to give my balloon a little squeeze and a stretch. So that's just going to soften this bubble and lengthen it slightly. And then I can take hold of the tip, get hold of the rest of the flower and pull that tip into those loops and then just wrap the tip around, okay? So this is what you've got. So you've got this very big loop here, which we are going to press the sides of this loop together, okay, and then just pinch here at the top. So we're just very approximately splitting this balloon in half. I'm just rotating the top bubble, okay, and you will see that that splits the balloon. So it's not perfectly half, but it's close enough, okay. So put your finger on the top here where it's split and just push that down towards the loops and then just pull the split into the loops at the base of the flower. Okay, so this is what you've got. We can turn these loops this way, just part these loops slightly. Just part them slightly, okay? And then with the big loops, we can just take hold of them, pull them together and just use our hands just to massage the top, curl the top over a little bit, and that gives this nice curve. And we can do the same thing on the other side. So just massage and curve at the same time, okay? And then we can pull these 2 loops through 2 bigger loops and just part them slightly. Okay, and there you've got really quick and easy balloon tulip.